This is Five Nights at Your New House. Night 1. Let's go! So, Peaches, how do you play? I don't know, Lily. Let's ask Prissy. Prissy, how do we play? Tell us, Prissy. All you gotta do is try to not look at Calico. What happens if you do? Then you get locked up until the next morning. I think we all get it now, Prissy. This is so hard! This is easy. We'll see you next time on Five Nights at Your New House.